WORKPRO Smart Sensor Headlamp. I've never seen a headlamp that had this feature before. So you can just turn it on with your hand. On top of that, it has 4 different modes. So you can just manually go through with your hand. So 1, 2, 3, and then turbo mode, you have to put it on any of them and then hold it down for 3 seconds and it goes into turbo mode. Okay, 700 lumens. All right, this is what the light, we're gonna take it downstairs and show you what this looks like, but I kind of want to show you, this is what the light looks like. Very nice. It's got like kind of rubber inside so it doesn't go around on like a helmet if you wanted to use it on a helmet. And if I put this one back on, kind of want to show you in a dark environment how much light this thing puts out. It puts out a lot. So we'll turn it around and go through all the different modes. So off, flood 2, this is spot, and then this is turbo. 1, 2, 3. There you go. So I think it's a really nice light. It feels really nice in my hands. Check it out. I like the blue color.